Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Qasim from NoCodeAPI and I'm going to teach you how to build a very simple workflow where you are going to list all your favorite websites on one side in a spreadsheet, and you are going to one by one fetch their meta tags, like how their authors have written the website's description, what is their choice of logo, and what is their choice of meta image. Like when they share a website, it shows a meta tag with it. So how does it work? Currently you can see that I have like 10 URLs in the left side, and I'm going to put all these URLs into Parabola. When I run this flow, it is going to fetch these websites meta tags. It is going to put it back into Airtable. So it took nearly 22 seconds to finish, and it has uploaded all this data from this input table into the output table. So I listed Airtable, the website where I'm working currently. It has shown me the description of Airtable over here. It is a low-code platform for building collaborative apps. It has fetched the logo and attached it in an image format, and it has attached the landing image of this meta tag. You can see that it has fetched all the important information in under 22 seconds, and if we had more number of rows, it could have done that. To start our workflow, we are going to head over to NoCodeAPI.com, and in NoCodeAPI, I will log into my dashboard. Log in with your credentials. From applications, go to marketplace. Here write Open Graph. So Open Graph is a simple developer endpoint, and you can see that it has attached youtube.com with it. So when we run this API, it actually gives us the meta tag for youtube.com only. Here I am going to add a new flow in parabola.io. After you have logged into your dashboard, click on pull data from other apps and pull from Airtable. Place it over here. Go to authorize Airtable. To get your API key, click on this link. Copy your API key and paste it over here. Authorize. Go down. URLs metadata. Select input. Fetch new settings. So it fetched all this information, and each record has its ID attached to it. Next, I'm going to select the enrich API. Click on enrich with API, place it over here, and in the endpoint, I'm going to attach this endpoint, paste it over here. I'm going to remove the URL from it, and in the URL tag, I'm going to attach the URL column name. So this is the column name inside curly brackets, show updated results, and it is going to update this, or it is going to fetch this data in next 20 seconds and show us over here. So it fetched all this information and it placed it next to each row. I'm going to move forward, and I'm going to go to send data to Airtable, place it over here, click on create records, go to base. The base name is URLs metadata. Select the table name output, and here I am going to map all these fields against the field name which I got from the parabola. So I'm going to attach URL to URL. Title, rather publisher, is going to the publisher. The title is going to go to the title. The description will get the description here. Next, logo. To get the logo, I will select logo here, and for image, I'm going to select the image. So show updated results, and it is going to place each data against its corresponding row. And here we can see that all this data is now listed against each website. Next, I am going to close it and run this workflow to make sure that everything is working okay. And in next 22 seconds, it is going to run this entire flow from scratch again. So I'm going to delete that output headings again, so that I can show you that all this data is now loaded into Airtable. So you can see that all this data has been pushed into Airtable using a very simple workflow and using a very simple API, which helps us fetch the URL, the publisher name, the meta tag image, the logo. I hope you like this trick, and if you liked it, please like the video. If you have any queries, you can click on the support button and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.